In my whole life, I've never been under 60 FPS. Optimus, it's your time to enjoy ray tracing and ultra settings. And remember, AMD is killing it right now.
When it comes to upgrade your laptop, there is only 3 types that I can think of. The come and change me whenever you want. The you might get there but you gotta work for it. And the nope, that ain't for me. I'm head out. Yo, Sakafet guys, I know that you might have a different laptop than the ones I have right now, but this video is gonna be here as a general guide to how to upgrade your laptop. So fear not guys, there is something for everyone around here. Keep in mind, this video is not here to rewire your internal bus or anything like that, it's just to upgrade what is commonly upgradable in a laptop. So let's start with the easiest one. The Acer E15 is the most powerful of the bunch. Not necessarily the cutest, but it is heavily customizable. Let's start with what people change the most on a laptop, the RAM. The Acer E15 is the easiest one. You just have to pop the bottom part to have access to the SODIMM slots, an M.2 port and a hard disk drive, and remove the back entirely, and there you can swap out the Wi-Fi card and redo a thermal pass while you're at it. A lot of laptops are like that, but not the Dell Inspiron E15. You'll have to remove the bottom screws, remove the keyboard, unconnect those ribbons and the screws under it, remove the DVD player, and you're done. Okay, I'm kidding. Next you have to remove the side mini screws, go back to the bottom cover, remove it, and finally you're done. Now you can upgrade your RAM the way you want. Just make sure to buy the correct one because DDR3, don't play with DDR4. And not to go beyond what the manufacturer told you to. You can upgrade the Dell up to 32 gigs, but for the Inspiron, that crap is so slow, even 1TB of RAM won't even help you to watch 720p videos on Google Chrome. That's why I just do a Jetfire to Optimus Prime swipe to boost the Acer's performance.
In my whole life, I've never been under 60 FPS. Optimus, it's your time to enjoy ray tracing and ultra settings. And remember, AMD is killing it right now.
Michaela, there's a Samsung Evo 970 Plus.
SSD and NVMe, check. HDD 70-100 RPM, check. Let's make those 4 lanes PCIe. 4 gigs per second sequential speed. No lag. Ultra settings, ray tracing, 4K 60 FPS. Let's roll PC Master Race.
So why I did that, you may ask? The Acer doesn't have any SSD inside, so it's using a slow spinning disk drive. When those is installed into it, my editing softwares and my media files, that's the worst setup to edit video with. See, updating the software is fine, but saving a project while Windows is doing its background crap is going to slow the hell out of your laptop, and that can cause Premiere Pro to even crash. I don't even need to talk when it's reading the media cache. You can do it. In fact, I've been doing this for a very while now, but it's going to fire up your nerves. Using any external or disk drive or SSD will cut off the load of your system drive and your work should be done easier. But you're gonna make sure it's fast enough because it could even make things worse. You can add SSD, NVMe or SATA 3 on the M.2 port to have an awesome experience with Windows, but there's also an hard disk drive that you can swap off and add another high-speed SSD there, but the HDD SSD will be fine for most. Do you know what other cool stuff that you can do? Okay, do you see that DVD port that no one uses? Okay, except you, Joe, and maybe you, Karen. Guess what? You can yank it off and put another SSD in there. Whoa, but how, Kensley? How is that even possible? To buy a caddy to put your drive on and you're set for that extra speedy space. What, hey, what if there is no DVD port on my laptop? Well, just buy an external SATA 3 to USB. Okay, now what if there is no USB port on it? Just buy an external SATA 3 to USB-C. Okay, right now, what if I don't use a laptop? Unfortunately, you can't change the processor or the GPU on this one because they are soldered into the motherboard.
Am I attacked to you?
But make sure to search for your model and see if you can upgrade it. Using an SSD will dramatically improve your user experience when using Windows, but you can get away while using all disk drive like I'm doing right now, and yeah, it's totally possible to edit videos using this kind of configuration. I'll make one about how to optimize your video editing machine soon, so subscribe so you won't miss it. And yes, that's been it for today's video, and thanks for watching.